Tom Saep, you are. Tom Saep. Tom Saep. Is it you? You forget it. Come on, Master Chef. We have 4 people who pick the Tom Saep.
The last one.
The last one.
I have the first one.
The last one.
Last one.
What's that?
I think this is
Is it you?
Babies.
Babies. Yeah. You're the baby. You're not spicy. Tom yum, tom kha, you do have the same vegetables.
Oh, okay.
The first one, tom yum soup. The second one, tom kha soup. They use the same base to cook it. Okay, so this one you have the same. Yeah? Tom Saep, the last thing, have the different ingredients because we need something that's stronger to make the soup stronger. But anyways, whatever you cook today, no matter. In Thai soup, we will always have these 3 together to make the flavors. Do you remember them? That I show you in the market. Yeah, this is the team flavors. That's the package. Right. Using for making flavor, not for eating. Don't eat it. Okay. And the rest, now maybe you have shallot, mushroom, basil. That's the eat them as a team vegetable. And that's a team vegetable for eating. Somebody have tomatoes, onion, mushroom. That's also a team vegetable. Okay. So let's start from this one. Can you smell it? Can you smell something? Not really. So you have to break it first, and how to do it can roll your phone. Okay. Use your knife. Smash it. Great. Thank you for your patience. That's good. Is it stronger now? Yes. Oh, once it smells stronger, this is ready for cooking, but it's way too long. So we're gonna chop smaller. Can you guys please chop in 3? Chop into 3 pieces. I'm hoping. Yep. Make it 3. Okay. And right now, you guys please cut the next thing. Now this one, ginger. What's the name of this in English? What do you call? Ginger. Kalangkao. So right now, you guys please cut in half first. Now make it half. That's all. That's it. You cut in half. That's enough. And you can see the leaf, cafe lime leaf. How do you know it's cafe lime? Yeah, the double leaves stick together. Okay, we do one by one. Right? Let me show you in the garden. You will smell them now. Right? If you guys want to smell how to do, remove the stem. Okay? How to do? Very simple. You fold the leaf in half first, and you look at my fingers, and I grab the stem from here, from the middle of the leaf, and it just pulls out the stem. You? Yes.
Nice.
Yep. Stem in basket. You need to leave the leaf. The leaf.
Oh, yeah.
If you have 2 leaves, do both, please. If you have 2 leaves, do both. That's good. Do another one.
You can smell again.
Is it
Bring
good?
out more aroma.
Yeah. Very aroma. If you cannot get the fresh one, the dry one also fine for using. Everything back on the plates. Collect it together. Put it in the same team. They're the same family, same team. You're not separated apart. And then this one, everybody. Chilies. Okay. How much more? 2, 3 chilies for doing medium spicy. Less than 2 low. 1 and 3 spicy. But this is kind of like tourist medium. Tourist 3 spicy. Not what Yet. Okay, yet. Alright, now let's pick it. Okay. How many chili you want, you can pick them. For the chili guys, you can if you don't want it, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, please now you take the stem off first and use the knife to crush the chili. And crush it. Right there. Crush it. Crush the chili. Yes, and then would be the team flavors. Would be the team flavors. We're gonna cook the whole thing like this. Crush it. Cut the stem off first and crush it.
Nice.
Don't touch the face. Don't rub your eyes. Yeah, wash your fingers. Okay. Do not touch it now. Sorry, do not rub your eyes.
Yes.
No, it's so burning. You? Okay, put on the plates. Put on the team flavors. Yes. And right now let's do our team vegetables. What are they? If you guys have these two, white onion and tomatoes, you please cut both into 4 pieces. Any direction doesn't matter. Like happiness, your emotions, emotions. Okay. And for the shallots, you please cut like quarters. And quarters, half and half, half and half again, half and half again. Yes. And half and half. Yeah. Quarters. There you go. All good. Now right now, please put everything back on your own plates. Everything back on your own plate. Now we'll make some space for the last thing that we all have the same. You can look at this. This is a king oyster mushroom. Okay, very, very popular. Very popular for Thai cooking. Right? It tastes like chicken. It's very crunchy, but the texture is quite spicy. So we're gonna cut them like this. Guys, chop it round. Chop it round. How big, how small, how level? I would say that. However you like. Please do. Yeah, just chop it round. Then keep going. How big, how small, however you like. A whole thing. We keep the whole thing. Do both things. And do both mushrooms. Yeah. All good. Right now, Tom Saep. Tom Saep, you're gonna have these 2 basil. What are the basil? We do have hot and sweet basil. How do you know? Actually, they look very similar, but sometimes you can see from the color. Sometimes you just smell them. The sweet one, the smell aroma one is a sweet basil. Okay, the peppery one is a hot basil. Okay. You please take out the leaves off. Now don't chop them. Just take out the leaves. Pick up the leaf. Go ahead. Okay. But if you have nothing more to do, you can please separate the team for your soup first. What other team do we have today? We have team flavors, team vegetables. How about the lime? How about the lime? Lime has no team. Leave it alone. It's a lonely lime. Okay. We use lime as a seasoning. Yeah. Okay. And basil go with the team vegetables. Basil go with team vegetables. I mean basil. Yep. Okay. Yes. Separate team, please. Everything good? Right now, once everything good, please leave your knife on the chopping board. And leave it under. Okay. And now your soup, please put them right back on your dining table. Right back on your dining table. Take it back there to your seat there. Okay, the plate. Take it back to your seat, please.
Okay, and leave your knife under the chopping board.